As schools begin to reopen in some states in India, the World Health Organization chief scientist Dr. Soumya Swaminathan warned that they must avoid indoor gatherings. Dr. Swaminathan said that school openings must be prioritized with distancing, face masks, avoid indoor singing and gatherings, hand hygiene and vaccination of all adults. Himachal Pradesh Emergency Operations Centre has informed that 2 people have been found dead and 10 people have been rescued safely following the landslide in Kinnaur, Himachal Pradesh. ITBP said that 4 vehicles, including a bus, are reported trapped under the rubble. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said 50 to 60 people could be trapped under the debris soon after the incident. The Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO today successfully test-fired the Nirbhay cruise missile from Odisha. The missile was tested for 100 kilometers in flight for 15 minutes. Nirbhay is a subsonic missile and can fly between 50 meters to 4 kilometers from the ground. Next test firing will be done in mission mode before user trial, an official said. Concerned over the inconvenience caused to the public due to the non-availability of cash in ATMs, the Reserve Bank of India has decided to penalize banks for failure to timely replenish currency notes in such machines. The RBI will start imposing penalty on banks in case the ATMs remain out of cash for a total period of 10 hours in a month from October 1st, 2021 onwards. In Algeria, wildfires have killed 42 people, including 25 soldiers. President Abdelmadjid Tebboune expressed condolences for 25 soldiers who were killed as they rescued people in the areas of Béjaïa and Tizi Ouzou, the epicenter of the blazes. Algeria joins a string of countries to be hit by major blazes in recent weeks, including Greece, Turkey, Cyprus, and the western United States. The Democratic People's Republic of Korea DPRK slammed South Korea today for pushing ahead with planned military drills with the United States and warned of serious security crisis. Kim Yong-chol made the remarks one day after Kim Yo-jong, Vice Department Director of Central Committee of the WPK, issued a similar warning. The choice of hope or despair is totally up to the South Korean authorities, he said. Lionel Messi today addressed his first press conference after joining French club Paris Saint-Germain PSG and said that his exit from Barcelona has been difficult, but he is pleased to join PSG. My exit from Barcelona has been a difficult change, but the moment I arrived here, I've been very happy. I've enjoyed my time in Paris from the first minute, Messi said at a press conference today.